Introducing Buggo's all-in-one AIO gun, the organized solution for your torch and power cables. The all-in-one gun combines both the power input cord and the weld contactor cable with the standard welding gun cable. You no longer need to jumble all your cords together, trying to fit them in the cable anchor and then tripping over them on the floor. Being safe and tidy can occur at the same time. It doesn't matter what power source you use, Lincoln, Miller, etc. There are all-in-one guns available with the correct connector needed for each style of power source. 3 variations of the AIO gun are available: K-Bug, Modular Drive System, Gopher with PC-style power cord, and Unibug and Universal Bug-O-Matic. The Buggo all-in-one gun is the ultimate solution for simplifying and organizing your welding setup. By combining your torch and power cables into a single streamlined unit, the AIO gun eliminates clutter, reduces tripping hazards, and enhances overall workplace safety. Compatible with a wide range of power sources and available in 3 versatile models, the AIO gun is designed to meet the needs of any Buggo system user. Stay efficient, stay safe, and keep your workspace clean with the all-in-one gun from Buggo. For questions on the AIO gun or any of the other products, visit us at www.buggo.com or email sales@buggo.com.